Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Marian Eslabon Gasatan, 31 years old, married with 2 sons, 5 years old and 11 years old, living at Barangay Mabukan, Cauayan City, Isabela. I have 1 brother, 1 sister, and I am the youngest in the family. I am college level of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Physical Science.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience in Manila as helper last May 23, 2023 to October 28, 2025. In a couple with 2 children, aged 2 years old and 7 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, laundering, ironing, and take care of the children. And also, I work a local government unit at Bulacan, Isabela as GIP. I work there filing, encoding data, and sorting documents.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I usually secure their safety first and then check the temperature of the child and then call my employer immediately.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am responsible, hardworking, and honest, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, none, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, none, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to earn money for the future of my children.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my parents, and my in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do? If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. while my work is done, and I woke up 5 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and calmer while dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Mom and Sir. I hope you select me as your helper. I am honest, responsible, and hardworking person. I do all my best to serve your family. Thank you.